Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm happy you're here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel, study, or work? On this channel, stories become your teacher. We practice with the shadowing technique. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English instead of translating. Today's story is called Wake Up Your English Brain. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. First breath, brain warm-up.
Place one hand on your chest. Place the other hand on your belly. Take 3 slow breaths to wake up your mind. Inhale through the nose for 4 counts. Hold for 1 count. Exhale through the mouth for 4 counts. Rest for 1 count. Let your shoulders fall. Unlock your jaw. Rest your tongue lightly. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Whisper small commands to your brain. I am calm. I am ready. I am learning. Stand tall as if a string lifts your head. Keep the neck long. Keep the shoulders wide. Keep the chest open but easy. Feel the belly rise. Feel the belly fall. Keep the rhythm smooth. 4 in, 1 hold. 4 out. 1 rest. Scan your body from head to toe. Let the forehead soften. Let the eyes soften. Let the cheeks soften. Keep the throat open. Let the shoulders grow heavy. Let the arms feel easy. Warm the hands. Lengthen the back. Ground the hips. Unlock the knees. Steady the feet. Link breath to words. I am calm. I am ready. I am learning. Imagine a small green light in your head. Let the light become clear. Roll the shoulders back twice. Notice cool air in. Notice warm air out. Add a tiny smile. Tell your brain this is safe work. Today I will learn one small thing. Small practice. Big progress. I show up and my brain shows up with me. Open your eyes slowly. Prepare your ears to listen. Prepare your mouth to shadow. Prepare your mind to remember.
Bright focus, many inner voices.
Notice your thoughts like lights in a terminal. Some thoughts help you. Some thoughts do not. One voice says study now. Another voice says give up now. Do not fight the voices. Choose the helpful voice. Lower the noise. Speak to your brain in short lines. Small steps, big results. Show up, not perfect. 1 page, not the whole book. Today, not forever. Picture a control desk. Turn the worry knob down. Turn the focus knob up. Name noisy thoughts and let them pass. Too late, too hard, too slow. Thank you for visiting. You may go now. Give your attention a job. Listen to 1 sound. Feel 1 breath. Look at 1 word. This is your runway. Set a tiny rule. No scrolling, no switching, no judging. Only practice. Anchor with 3 lines. I can learn 1 thing today. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to be present. Warm up your speaking muscles. Keep lips loose. Keep tongue light. Keep jaw relaxed. Let the ears lead the mouth. Create a start signal. When the timer says 7 minutes, Begin. When the timer ends, smile and stop. If doubt returns, answer softly. Maybe later, not now. Now I practice. End with gratitude. Thank you, brain. Thank you, body. Thank you, minutes. Choose the helpful voice. Lower the noise. Begin the practice.
Small win at the belt, one word that sticks.
Choose one new word today. Make it alive so it can stay. Use picture, action, emotion, ticket. Picture a blue ticket with a QR code. Scan it in the air. Feel relief. I scan my ticket and feel relief. Platform, see the number painted on the ground. Step forward 2 steps. Feel confidence. I step onto the platform and feel confident. Receipt. Picture a thin paper with today's date. Sign in the air. Feel done. I sign the receipt and feel done. Put words into tiny scenes. At the station. On the platform. At the counter. Add rhythm to each word. Ticket scan. Platform step. Receipt sign. Clap the beats softly. Write one journal line. Ticket scan relief. Platform step confidence. Receipt sign done. Repeat slow. Repeat natural. Repeat fast. Let your mouth learn the road. Let your brain build the pathway. What do I scan? My ticket. Where do I step? The platform. What do I sign? The receipt. If you forget, rebuild the picture. Redo the action. Recall the emotion. One word stayed today. Momentum begins now.
Yellow route to daily practice.
Keep practice short and clear. 3 breaths. 2 shadow lines. 1 feeling. Run. 1 micro loop. Input. Shadow. Output. Set a 7-minute timer. Take 3 breaths to start. Tell your brain it is time. Choose input for 30 seconds or less. The clerk smiles and says, "Elevators on the left." I ride to the 20th floor. Listen once without speaking. Now shadow half a second behind me. The clerk smiles and says, "Elevators on the left." I ride to the 20th floor. Repeat the set twice. Now output in your own words. The clerk points me left. I take the elevator to floor 20. Add one small detail. I carry my suitcase in my right hand. Seal the set with one feeling. Relief. Pride. Calm. Say the feeling out loud. Breaths done. Shadow done. Output done. 1 tick is success. If you have energy, run 1 more loop. If you feel tired, stop and smile. 7 minutes is enough for today. Small practice, big progress. 1 minute is better than 0. Today, I will learn 1 small thing. What did I learn? Elevators on the left. What did I do? Input, shadow, output. What will I do tomorrow? 1 more tiny loop.
First glow, connect English with joy.
Connect English to what you love. Make a joy menu with 5 choices. Watch a football clip with English commentary. Learn 3 lines from a song. Read 1 easy recipe and act the verbs. Watch a short travel video and repeat key phrases. Read a comic strip and shadow the bubbles. Pick one item only. Use 2 to 5 minutes. Smile before you start. Tell your brain this is joy time. Goal means clap and cheer. Mix means stir the air. Ticket means scan and feel relief. Hotel means check in and feel welcome. Sunset means pause and feel calm. Place one sticker in your notebook. Clap quietly for yourself. Write one line that says, well done. One word remembered. One phrase understood. One sentence spoken without fear. Wins build pride. Pride builds love. Love builds routine. If pressure arrives, choose play. Lower the goal. Do one fun thing. Stop while you still want more. Your brain will ask for tomorrow.
Street rhythm, fast response drills.
Train quick answers without translating. Start with short pairs. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Maybe later. I'll check. Add travel frames. I'd like to check in. Here is my reservation. Is it walking distance? Where is the nearest exit? Could you turn on the meter? Copy rhythm more than grammar. Keep your mouth moving. Let your ears lead your mouth. Run a 60-second drill. Name, Alex, room 21. Exit, on the left. Receipt, yes, please, card or cash. Card, taxi, at the corner. How long? 10 minutes. Safe route, 2 blocks. Then right. Breakfast, included. Thank you. My pleasure. Ask and answer. Ask again faster. Answer again simpler. I would like to check in. I'd like to check in. Keep clarity at every speed. Make mistakes and continue. Speed builds confidence. Accuracy grows with repetition. My responses are getting faster. My brain is learning the rhythm. I am ready for real conversations.
Subway and a song, train the inner voice.
Speak to yourself in simple English. Narrate daily life with short lines. I wake up. I drink water. I open the window. I feel fresh. What did I do today? I worked. I ate rice. I learned 2 words. I watched a story. I walked outside. I will read. I will listen. I will write 1 line. I like music because it calms me. I want to improve today. I feel happy when I walk. Hello, how are you today? I am fine, thank you. I am a little tired, but I am okay. Later I will watch a video in English. Copy the melody. Keep the breath. Let your inner voice sound like English. Today I shadowed 2 lines and retold them once. Watch your lines grow each month. Do not insult yourself. Say I am learning. Say I am trying. Let your brain trust you. Let your English grow.
Quiet room, night review.
Slow down for the night. Keep your ritual short and kind. Write 1 honest line. What did I practice? What felt easy? What felt new? Breaths, yes. Shadow, yes. Output, yes. Tick and say good job. What did I learn today? What will I repeat tomorrow? How can I make it more fun? Set a soft alarm for 7 minutes. Keep the same time, place, and signal. Lock the door. Put the key card on the desk. Silence the phone. Place water by the bed. Look out the window for 10 seconds. Notice a few lights on and a few lights off. Breathe in and feel part of the world. Safe, here, grateful. Thank your brain for its work. Tell your heart to rest now. Tell yourself tonight is enough. Switch off the lamp. Welcome the dark. Let the day fade with one slow breath. Practice expressions shadowing. I can train my brain. Small steps every day. Picture, action, emotion. Listen, shadow, retell. I think in English now. One line in my journal. I am calm. I am ready. I am learning. Small practice. Big progress.
Great job today. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me. One pause, one plan, one practice. Please like, share, and subscribe for more shadowing stories. Turn on the notification bell. Remember, pause, plan, practice. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.